Alright guys, welcome back to Critical Dreams. This video is actually going to cover of the eSIM application if you guys actually traveling to different countries, and it will actually show you guys what countries that the application actually cover, how much countries the application actually covers as well. So if you guys are interested in that, hope you guys actually stick around, hit a like on this video for this information, and let's go. So as you guys can see, this is what you will see as you start up the application. You would see roaming, inexpensive, save up to 10 times eSIM from Airalo, right? So with Airalo, it's actually cheaper when you're using Airalo because the plans on them are very cheap, right? It's not as expensive as most other providers outside when you're actually traveling to different countries, right? Also, you can see they're actually available in over 200 countries, right, and regions, which is actually pretty awesome, meaning as in you could go to nearly any country and you would be able to buy data. And the great thing about this application, you could actually buy data before you even arrive to that country destination as well, right, which is actually pretty awesome, right? So you see, just use eSIM functions on your phone, connect instantly, setup, right, and activation in a few minutes. Still not convinced? Dava 24/7 team that you can contact as well. So let's get right into the application. So this is what you would see as you start up the application, right? You could see a local eSIM, have regional eSIM, and global eSIM setup. Right, just click on it and you start to see prices. So as in the local eSIMs, you can scroll up and you can actually see what countries it have here on the local section. You could even click it as well, wait for the information to come up, and see United States for valid for 7 days, 1 gig plan. You see it is $4. We're looking like pounds over that Edo. You see to our next plan here, 2 gig plan for 15 days. Right, it depends on what kind of user you are, because it have people who is heavy users when it come down to using the internet, meaning as in some people will just use it maybe just to go on Facebook, maybe just to WhatsApp alone, right, maybe watch 1 or 2 YouTube videos and stuff like that, simple, right? So they may take a smaller plan. But if you know you are a user that actually transferring data and stuff like that, browsing heavy, mostly editing, selling software editor and stuff like that, you definitely would need a bigger plan, right? So there are big plans, and as you guys can see, the big plans are also very flexible, very cheap as well, pretty awesome, and actually valid for 30 days as well, right? Which is pretty awesome. So that's back, right? You can check out the regional sim, right? The sims on them, right? You see that Africa. Right, so you can actually see all the countries. You can actually come into it and see the prices and see how much plans are for it, right? So what has happened? Some of these eSIM companies like Airalo, what has happened is some country locations will have more than some. So you see, Africa had 2, Asia have 4. Ooh, get some big plans here too. Getting some 100 gigs and things. So you see, so you have different options. So if you're going to island, let me say Caribbean, coming to the Caribbean. I'm from the Caribbean, big up to the Caribbean. Right? You could see all the different plans. All the different plans and for how long. Right? And you're ready to buy, that's it, buy now. And you set up your you do your setup for purchasing. Pretty easy, pretty awesome, right? It show more information, stuff like that. Check for availability and all them different things. So they make it actually pretty easy, pretty awesome. So obviously you'll have to create an account. I see it actually pretty easy to create an account, because let's hit your Facebook profile if you have one. That'll be a click of a button. Google, same thing, and you will be able to sign up, because as the guys can see the sign up right here. Right? Quick sign up, right? Instead of full on the whole information, you hit Facebook, as again Google, quick sign up, and you will be able to use the Airalo, right? So as you guys can see, the different sections. So you just take your time, you go through it, what country you want to go to, stuff like that. Check out what plans you want. And then it have the global eSIMs as well. See it have data alone, it have data calls and text, right? So it's which one you guys want, right? So you have a lot of options. Airalo actually have a lot of options. It is actually one of the first eSIM company that come out as well, right? So they have a lot of experience in the business and for being out or being around so long as well, which is actually pretty awesome, right? So you guys, if you interested in buying plans from them to use, as you guys can see, they have a global section and all too, where you could buy data as well, right? Also, if you guys understand eSIM and all too, most phones nowadays actually come in with eSIM. So yeah, make sure your phone actually also is eSIM compatible because eSIMs are basically SIM card that is built into the phones, right? Most new phones have it, even though some of them even carry the trays on them still, where you could put in your micro SIM and stuff like that. It have that and all too, but it also have the eSIM. Alright guys, so Airalo is actually pretty awesome. So hope you guys actually go and check out Airalo, right? For the options of getting a good, great eSIM plans. Was your boy Critical Dreams Tech, and I'm out. Peace.